Hi, I'm Jeff, and I'll be explaining the cell structure in today's video. To understand the cell structure, you have to know the difference between a prokaryote and a eukaryote. A prokaryote is an organism that is unicellular, lacks organelles, and has no nucleus. That means that the DNA will be floating around in the cell. A eukaryote is an organism that is multicellular, contains organelles, and has a nucleus. And the domain of Archaea is the kingdom of Archaeobacteria, which is prokaryotic. The domain of bacteria is the kingdom of Eubacteria, which is also prokaryotic. The domain of Eukarya is the domains of Protista, fungi, plantae, and animalia, which are eukaryotic. Now that you know the difference between a prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, you need to know the difference between a plant and animal cell. The main difference between a plant and animal cell is that plant cells have chloroplast, a cell wall, and a central vacuole, while animal cells do not. Chloroplasts capture sunlight and help the plant make food. The cell wall helps the plant stand up and maintain stiffness. Notice how the plant cell is square and the animal cell is round. This is because the plant cell has a cell wall. The central vacuole stores water and other materials. It also helps maintain a plant cell's volume and structure. Another difference between plant and animal cells is that the plant cells do not have a flagellum or cilia unless on gametes. Flagellas are whip-like structures that help cells move. Cilia are hair-like structures that help cells to move. Now that you know the difference between plant and animal cells, you need to know the many similarities of plant and animal cells. The first similarity of plant and animal cells is that they both have a cytoplasmic membrane. The plasma membrane is the outer part of the cell that is a barrier between the inside and outside of the cell. The next similarity that plants and animal cells have is the nucleus, just like all other eukaryotic cells. The nucleus is the control center of the cell and contains most of the genetic material in the cell. This genetic material is DNA. Inside the nucleus is also chromatin, which packages DNA into smaller volume to fit inside the cell. When cells go into division, chromatin condenses into chromosomes. Chromosomes are thread-like structures of nucleic acid and proteins that carry genetic information in the forms of genes. Inside the nucleus is the nucleolus, which takes up 25% of the nucleus. The nucleolus rewrites ribosomal RNA and combines it with proteins. Located in the nucleus, there are also centrioles. Centrioles help separate chromosomes during cell division. The nucleus also rewrites messenger RNA, and from there the mRNA goes to the ribosome. The ribosome produces proteins found loose and on the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Both the smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum package proteins for transport inside the cell. From there it is transported to the Golgi body for transport outside the cell. Now back to the ribosomes. The loose ribosomes are found in the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the jelly-like fluid that holds organelles. Also in the cytoplasm is lysosomes. Lysosomes dissolve cell waste and foreign material using enzymes. Also located on the cytoplasm are the mitochondria. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. All these organelles help maintain homeostasis, which is maintaining an internal factor when outside factors are changing. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.